Alright, so we got another package. Not trying to show you my address, but that's the FIDO certificate. This one, I don't know what's gonna happen with this one. This was a gamble. H-Sean plants once again. I mean, even though and I'm unboxing it now because I just got it a minute ago. If you were on my Instagram, you would probably seen the live when I picked it up from the post office. Cause we didn't hear the post. You know, when he dropped off the package, we didn't hear anybody knock on the door. So we have to wait till he drops off his packages. So usually when you get the letter, you can pick it up, whatever you get, maybe within that half hour before the post office closes. Got more box openings. Oh, and we looked at it, USDA opened it up to take a look at what was going on inside the package. And I think they took off with the tape, which was just laying in there. So USDA intercepted it. This is dry. I don't know what. But the roots still look healthy. This is it's been so long I haven't even. So that's like one of the problems with shipping cross seas. You could get, they could send it and somebody else, like the USDA can open it up and say, we gotta inspect this, and that could delay the process, and they gotta analyze it and stuff like that. And it could throw off your ETA for when your time of arrival off greatly. And that's what happened with this one, this particular plant. And I know you can actually wait, but I'm like, I don't feel like waiting. Ugh. I got another like Monstera variegated, and this is hopefully not too damaged, just like Rocky was. Somebody made I got this for 30 bucks on H-Sean plants, but I wound up paying for the shipping and the, I don't know what you want to call it, the thrill of buying a plant from across seas. And I was like wondering, because 2 weeks ago, or matter of fact, a month ago is when I actually put the order in, so I think he had to stagger it. But this is my other cutting from a Monstera deliciosa, and I'm opening up the package, the roots, just to make sure it looks okay. And they look pretty good. I think we're pretty good. I'm trying to video to show you as much as what's going on right now, because it's like it's a sad and a good time, which is like crazy, but it doesn't stop, so we can't stop. I think these roots are pretty good. So I think this has been in limbo for a good over 3 days, because I know I didn't purchase this 3 days ago. So I'm gonna have to track it and see what's going on, but I'm going to get it into some water ASAP. And I wanted to do leca, but I'm just going to put it in water, some real good water, and see how she goes. And for this one, I have to figure out what this is. This is the variegated Monstera, which these leaves are probably going to be cut off, but this was, somebody made a cutting from that. And this is like the actual phyto certificate. And it should tell me, I guess, what's on the plant. So there's where it's from: Thailand, Monstera, and the Dischidia. It's an ornamental plant, nothing to declare. Date September 19th. It was sent September 19th, and right now it's October 16th. So that's how long it took for me to get this plant, because of the way things go from territory to territory. But this is the Dischidia. Once it's a pretty much dried out Dischidia. Monstera, variegated deliciosa. I don't know what I'm just got another one because I said, what the heck, let's just do it. And phyto certificate. That's pretty much it. I was, I was one of, and they tell you when you do go online and you do buy from other, outside, like if you do a Facebook or a online sale for outside, you are definitely taking a risk, because obviously there's different laws in different territories, and this is one of them. So let me go get this in some water. Guys, thanks for watching. This is what Gerard's Horticulture culture is all about. I'm trying to give you something, just something to, like, what do you guys think about all this going on? Let me know in the comment section below. I know probably about maybe in a couple months, these variegated monsteras are just going to be popping up in Home Depots everywhere. Just because these rare plants are just so popular now that all the growers are growing them, and it's only a matter of time for these rare plant prices to climb on down. But you know what I mean, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. This is Gerard's Horticulture culture. Keep growing.